Hey everyone! Welcome back to Style Pulse Amazon. Today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, an unlocked, budget-friendly powerhouse that brings big screen entertainment, rapid charging, and long-term security to your pocket. Let's dive in. 1. First impressions: design, bar roll, 368 degrees spin-a-phone, presenter, voiceover. Right off the bat, this 6.78-inch AMOLED display jumps out at you with vivid colors and crisp detail, perfect for videos, browsing, or reading recipes. The slim, durable frame with an IP54 rating stands up to everyday splashes and dust. 2. Performance storage, on-screen, split view of apps loading, expandable storage, graphic, presenter, voiceover. Under the hood, you get Android 14 on One UI, paired with 4 GB of RAM and a 2.4 GHz processor. It handles social media, streaming, and light gaming smoothly. Out of the box you have 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1.58 TB via microSD, so no more storage full warnings. 3. Camera creativity, bar roll, sample photos and video clips, presenter, voiceover. The triple lens camera setup captures group shots to close-ups in great clarity. Lower light scenes? Handled. And with quick snapshots, you'll never miss a moment. 4. Battery charging, on-screen, battery icon animation charging rapidly, presenter, voiceover. Worried about running out of juice? The Galaxy A16 5G packs a hefty battery that pairs with Samsung's super fast charging. Get back to 100% in no time, charger sold separately. 5. Extras value, on-screen, Samsung Wallet and security graphics, presenter, voiceover. Enjoy 6 years of OS and security updates, Samsung Wallet for tap-to-pay convenience, and health tracking with Samsung Health. Plus, right now Amazon even bundles a $25 gift card. Just select the gift card bundle. Return on camera, presenter. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G delivers essential features, reliable performance, and future-proof updates, all at an incredible price. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our latest Amazon picks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.